What are the cleaning functions and advantages of Baiyi's small high-pressure cleaning truck? Let's take a look together. First, left and right heading and side rushing. The vehicle configuration can lift left and right heading and cope side rushing, which can flush various roads, such as municipal sanitation, property community sidewalks and auxiliary roads, cobblestones, and so on to 7-hole flushing. The flushing device under the vehicle chassis can perform high-pressure washing on various road surfaces and restore the true color of the road surface. 3 handheld high-pressure gun cleaning, roadside trash cans, slow advertisements on walls, sidewalks, bus stop signs, and other areas are cleaned. 4th, fog cannon dust suppressor with the addition of a dust suppressor. The vehicle can realize the function of spraying and dust reduction, and the vehicle water tank is a rotational molding water tank, which is corrosion resistant and can be equipped with disinfectant to disinfect the community or factory area. In terms of configuration, the vehicle accessories are all well-known brands, such as Baiyi engine,